The best telescopes are great for scoping out massive stars, but they're just as useful for looking at planets, and with a high quality lens you can get a clear view of almost every planet in the solar system. Telescopes are optical instruments that make distant objects appear magnified by using an arrangement of lenses. Finding the best telescope with so many choices out there may be quite a daunting task. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best products available on the market. Check out the video description for further information and links to buy the featured products. Let's begin our list with the Orion SkyQuest XT8. It is a large aperture classic Dobsonian reflector telescope at a very affordable price. Its 8-inch diameter reflector optics let you view the moon and planets in close-up detail, and it has enough light grasp to pull in pleasing views of faint nebulas, galaxies, and star clusters. The ultra-stable Dobsonian base keeps the reflector optical tube perfectly balanced for point-and-view ease of use. Further, it includes a 2-inch Crayford focuser that accepts 1.25-inch and 2-inch telescope eyepieces. With the 1200mm focal length, its mirror allows you to obtain clear and crisp views at moderate to high magnifications on clear nights with right seeing conditions. You can use the EZ Finder 2 sight to accurately aim the SkyQuest XT8 classic Dobsonian telescope at objects in the sky like the moon and bright planets. Designed as an entry to a mid-level astronomical observation platform, the Celestron NexStar 127 SLT telescope gives users the ability to make detailed observations of the moon. Equipped with a database of over 4,000 objects, including the planets, stars, nebulae, galaxies, and the complete Messier catalog, it can also be programmed with up to 99 custom user-defined objects and filters for custom object lists. Its intuitive menu-driven user interface provides the power to observe the heavens with 9 slew speeds and 3 tracking rates, plus anti-backlash compensation. With its pre-assembled adjustable steel tripod, it can be up and ready to use in a matter of minutes. Plus, with the help of Skyline alignment technology and the included star pointer finder scope with a red LED, it makes aligning a breeze. Another advantage is that its compact form factor makes it easy to transport and assemble just about anywhere. The Space Eye 50mm refractor telescope from Vixen Optics is designed as an ideal starter scope that is portable, sets up quickly, and is easy to use. It provides everything you need to get viewing right out of the box with 2 eyepieces, an erect image diagonal, an aluminum tripod with an accessory tray, and a manual altazimuth mount. Also, its dual-axis slow-motion cables allow finding and tracking of objects with reduced vibrations. The erect image corrects image horizontally and vertically to enable the scopes to use as a conventional spotting scope. From the slow mount motion handles to the diagonal eyepiece holder, this telescope will get you started in your exploration of the night sky. Up next on the list, we have the Skywatcher S11800. It features a patented truss tube system that enables the front corrector plate eyepiece assembly to be moved back and locked against the rear main tube to reduce the size of the OTA for storage and transportation significantly. Also, this telescope is equipped with dual servo motors, and they are controlled using the SynScan computer hand controller. This self-contained system features over 42,000 celestial objects with alignment assistance, guided tours, and full go-to capabilities. Its dual encoders, coupled with the patented tension control handle, enables users to move the scope without having to realign it manually. Moreover, the smaller mirror gives it added portability, and the Crayford focuser's unique focusing mechanism gives it the ability to achieve tack-sharp focusing with zero backlash that rack and pinion focusers generally are unable to achieve. Plus, it has a patented tension control handle that allows users to add or reduce tension, thereby increasing or decreasing the friction between the optical tube and the sideboards. Combining power and ease of use, the Celestron CPC Deluxe 800 telescope provides users with a complete rig for near and deep space observation and astrophotography. Optically, it features the proprietary aplanatic catadioptric style Edge HD optical system consisting of a corrector plate. Also, it uses a spherical primary mirror and a secondary mirror along with a set of field flattening lenses integrated into the baffle tube. The optical tube is outfitted with a standard 1.25-inch visual back to make it easier to find eyepieces, accessories, and imaging gear. Its motorized dual fork mount has dual-axis servo motors that provide precision movements. Plus, it has an integrated 48-channel GPS receiver that sends information to the hand controller, requiring limited input from the user. This telescope uses a heavy-duty stainless steel tripod to help limit vibrations to ensure clear resolution during observation or imaging sessions. Last but not least, at the top of the list, we have the Celestron NexStar 8 SE. It is the most popular 8-inch computerized telescope on the market. It offers large 8-inch aperture with excellent light gathering ability that provides spectacular views of the moon and planets, along with deep sky objects. It is fully automated. Go-to mount with database of 40,000 plus celestial objects will automatically locate and track objects for you. Also, it provides SkyAlign technology that gets your telescope aligned and ready to observe in minutes. Even if you're unfamiliar with the night sky, you can easily set up your telescope on any of the 3 bright objects in the sky. Besides, it has a unique single fork arm design and sturdy steel tripod, all break down into separate components for easy transport and quick assembly. Further, the only fork arm design and sturdy steel tripod all assemble and break down from different parts for easy transportation. Another advantage is that it provides GPS coordinates to your telescope with SkySync, or add automatic alignment functionality with StarSense Auto Align. Thanks for watching.